Bro, you know how I know movies are fake?
Same way we all do.
No,
They're movies.
No, because no one ever sneezes in a movie unless it's like for the plot.
They don't do anything, man.
When's the last time?
When I was thinking about it, I was like, I wonder why they don't let those things fly. Not the sneeze in general. Like, I'm sure if somebody sneezes, if a guy reshoot it, but it seems more real if they were to just let somebody sneeze.
Yeah, because
Like,
everything's...
Say hello to my life.
different.
Little friend. That's the worst accent I ever heard. Or like, in Godroom. Let's right? And I know. And I answer my own question. I know why they don't let them fly.
Yeah, I think that's exactly
No,
why.
Yeah, it adds up.
I think that's exactly.
Yeah,
Hey, bro, I
math
think
is
I've asked
math.
you this before.
What?
I want to clarify. Do you pee in the shower?
Pee in the shower?
You pee in the
Of course I
shower.
pee in the shower.
Yeah, you pee in the shower.
When we talked about it because it's a list of environmentally
Yeah.
helpful facts.
Got you.
For peeing. You save like enough water to
So
whatever.
I pee in the shower, but then my my pipes start getting clogged because I think of my hair and stuff.
Yeah, you pee in
And then-
sludge.
And then I got like backed up. That's what I'm saying. So when you like take a shower, it started to fill up like a
So you
bathtub.
got hairy pee hair.
So I started to pee in the shower, not realizing, but I got clogged up. So then I had pee in the base of my bathtub.
How much you peeing? What do you mean?
Like, I pee, bro.
You can't even fill a Gatorade bottle, bro. What are
Sometimes you
talking
pee,
about?
bro.
How much water is in the pee in the bottom? You said you had a what in it?
It was like a
2 inches
layer
of
of
water?
just water on the ground of the. It was like filling up like a bathtub. But then I peed early on in the shower, but then like I didn't realize it was gonna like clog up, but then it started to clog up. And so then I had a base of just like pee at the bottom of my bathtub.
All right.
That's it. That's all I got. You ever heard about
That's disgusting.
You ever hear
That's
about
disgusting.
No, I think it's called Murphy's Law.
What? No, I already told you. Whatever can go wrong will go wrong.
No, this other thing. I forget what it's called, man, but it's like, did you know that nothing ever touches anything? Like, they say that like stuff is made of atoms, right? Stuff's made of atoms.
Adam Ivy.
AdamIvy.com. No, stuff's made of atoms, but atoms are so small when you touch something, right? When you touch, the atoms are actually so small that they don't actually ever touch anything because atoms are mostly made of filled space. So, like, if you take your hand and you push it against a wall, right, it won't go through, but eventually it will.
What are you talking about, bro? How long are you supposed to take?
I don't know. There's, mathematically, if you push your hand through the wall, eventually it'll go through because... Did it touch? Myth busted.
Myth busted. That's the Adam you was talking about? What's his name? Adam, what's his name? Adam Carolla?
Adam Ivy.
No. From Mythbusters.
Oh, I don't know.
His name's Adam, I'm pretty sure.
Is it?
That's all we got time for today.
Hey, if you want to support, we got merch. FeelsRight.shop. Bro, I hate you, man.
Did it touch?
Yeah, bro.
What are you talking about, okay?
Okay, goodbye.
Hey, it feel right, don't it? I only ever get it, yeah, if I want it. Yeah, you was hot, past tense. I don't even celebrate wins, I worked on 'em. It ain't even worked to 'em. Gotta leave for church soon. Tip top, moonwalk